Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. It has been forever. Not very many videos from me, definitely not a lot of unboxings, but we had to wait, but here we are at the end of 2021 Hot Wheels 2021 Q case, the final case of 2021. It's a US case, L2593. This came from Mattel. I'll probably have an international case from A&J Toys at some point. There's a bunch of new models. We're going to be getting to the Lamley Awards shortly as soon as I have everything, but we've got to get to all the basics, so that is what we are going to do. Nice to be doing a video. Did a little live feed on Sunday, picking this back up. You know, we've had a few that we've done, but I haven't done an unboxing. It feels like I haven't seen new models forever. Some of you have actually been finding the Q case in stores. Like I said, these come to me when Mattel sends them, which means they have to be in the distribution center, right, at this point for me to get them. So we're going to move this back so you can see them, and we are going to get started. And here we go. We start with the 70 Chevy Camaro RS, the 85 Honda City Turbo, Reuse Rides. We saw this at JCCS. This is something they're going to be doing through 2022. Oh, and as you can see too, the new card style as well. Old card style versus new card style. You can see there are some definite changes in the way the logo is handled. You can look at one from the other. This is still, I think, a 2021 model. But they're just using that new card styling, I think, for this. So there it is right there. Okay, good to know. Then we have another Reuse Ride, but it's not going to show the logo because it's on the 2021 card. Holdover from the last case is the Audi Rs2 Avant, right? Looking cool. All right. Custom small block. Can't remember if that's a recolor or not, but it's cool. This is the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. If this had real riders, it would be a super treasure hunt. It sure looks Spectre-flamey, doesn't it? But those are actually the old cool classic wheels on it. So it is the basic from Muscle Mania, but there is a super, you know, we'll do so. We got to do the best and worst supers. There's the Bone Shaker, which is a holdover. Best and worst supers of 2022 eventually, right? So we'll get to those. All right. Oh! Well, looky here. This is a Zamac case. I had no idea, right? Are we looking? Are there other Zamacs? There are. So, friends, Mattel did send me a Zamac case. How cool is that? So that is what we're going to be looking at. Not only the first Q case, but the Zamac case as well. Walmart exclusive. So I don't know if these have been seen in stores. This is a bit of a surprise. So this is we're also seeing the final 3 Zamacs of 2021. This is number 17, is the Dodge Charger stock car. I'll put that off to the side. That looks kind of cool. I think we've seen it in blue, right? There's the Diora 3 and the Bubble-Matic. Ah, nice little surprise. 2017 Acura Nsx in green. We've already seen that one. We haven't seen this one, and not only is it a cool model, I saw when people were showing pictures of this, I was like, oh, cool. The Lamborghini Countach police car casting I really like is out, but it is also a regular treasure hunt. Enough so, we've had so many good regular treasure hunts this year that we're going to do the best and worst regular, or at least the best. I don't know if we need to do the worst. Regular of 2021. This one is awesome. We'll put that off to the side for the showcase as well. We've already seen the Savannah Rx7 in blue. That one looks nice. All right. Another Zamac. Look at that. AMC Rebel Machine. The first one came in that kind of stock light color. This is number 16, so we have one more to look at, and I think we get it in the next group. AMC Rebel Machine Zamac, looking cool with the orange wheels and whatnot. Put that off to the side. Let's Go in red, and then another Bone Shaker in gray. All right, the other Zamac. Well, we'll look at the Twinnin' and Winnin' in blue. And then, how about this one? So this would be, what, the third color of the Porsche? This is the Porsche 935 Magnus Walker's Porsche in Zamac. So if I move this off to the side and turn this around, yeah, be the third color. You can see, I got it right. Oh, I'll move this out of the way, right? 1, 2, and then we'll add the Zamac to that. So 3 colors for that one. Didn't we have another? We had a, oh, it was the Target exclusive, right? And then we've got the GameStop cases coming. They have some new models in there as well. The Nash in purple, looking cool. So recolor on that one. Ooh, Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno. Is this a 2022? So this looks to be a mix. Maybe this is because it's the Walmart case. So these are, so I guess we do have some 2022 models in here. So there is the 2022 Sprinter Terreno in white. So there we go. I haven't opened an A case yet, right? We just have the Q case. That is a definite highlight. Gotta make sure I've got all the highlights put aside here so far. Let's go, and then the Pagani Huayra. I've heard that, is this, did I see this is an ID for 2022? Maybe for the Q case, right? So I will figure that out. Put that off to the side too. So I'm trying to figure this case out as we go as well. Kind of fun. All right, Draft Nader in blue, Water Bomber in red and white, and then the Batman Batmobile. Okay, a Bubble-matic. That's look at the art on that. That's kind of cool. So that's probably a 22. We already saw the Honda. There's another Zamac stock car. Chevy Nova, that was the Super in the last case one I actually pulled. Batman Batmobile and the Porsche 935 again in Zamac. Honda Prelude from the last case, looking fantastic. Twinning and Winning also looking cool, and the Porsche in white. Another Porsche in white, another Rebel Machine Zamac. So now we have 2 of each of the Zamacs, and then I think we had like 14 of those. Let's go, have we not? All right, let's see what else we've got in this case. Very excited to see all these cool models. All right, very cool. Hot Bird from the Q case, looking very cool in blue. I've got a little bit of a wider angle for this video. Okay, that's cool. I have to call that a highlight. So is this one, recolor of the Toyota GR Supra. We saw it in white, now we see it in yellow. This is the Greddy style and the Greddy logo on it, based on the one from SEMA a couple of years ago. SEMA's going on right now. Greddy's there. I don't think he's with this one. He's got a different car. They. And Custom Ford Bronco in orange from the Then and Now series. There is the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in red, Chevy Silverado Off-Road in yellow, and then this one does look different, right? This is the Batman Batmobile, but it looks like it is a recolor, right? With the full black wheels. I think they were gray on the last one, so there is some subtle differences on this one. I'd have to look at it. The first one was more gray, this one is more black, so that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll put that in the highlight pile. Stuff falling around. There's the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 in a search and rescue deco. A Unimog anniversary. That's kind of cool. Highlight for there. How about this one? Another new model. One of the last new models of the year. Aston Martin V12 Speedster in silver. That looks nice. I mean, it's a unique casting. I don't know if I'm really fond of the car, and don't know if I've ever really seen the car, to be honest, so I don't know how it compares to the real thing, but obviously it goes in the licensed new model pile, and there's the Manga Tuner in orange. Okay, what fell over here? Oh, some good stuff. All right, there is the Muscle and Blown in red, recolor from that blue. Dodge Challenger drift car in blue. And here's a recolor. How about that for a recolor of the Honda custom 1970 Honda N600 in kind of a dark teal with the black rims. That is sharp. I like the first one. I think I like this one even better. Where is that one? There it is up top. I got the glare of the sun, so I can't really... There, you can see it right there. And then there's the recolor. That is a highlight. Another one of them Silverados, GR Supra. So said one of them. That's so my father-in-law's way of talking. Another Supra, another Dodge Challenger drift car. Another Lightning, another Batmobile, and the Sand Burner. And there's some wind trying to knock over my stack of cars. Oh ho ho, that is sharp. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR recolor from the yellow, now in gray. Love that with the lace wheels on that. That one's really pretty. Could do without the stripes, but I do like the color and wheel combination. Okay, another Zamacs, so we're now at 3 of the AMC Rebel machine, and there's the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Looking good. Mod Rod, there's your McLaren F1, which from the last case, fantastic, in the Geoterra in black. Another Geoterra in black. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and then the Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. Ooh, it's starting to rain. We better hurry up. 2020 Ram once again, another Porsche 935 Zamac, and how about this 2004 GT from the Then and Now series in black. Love it with the white rims. That's pretty sharp. All of a sudden, I can't be blabbering too much because we got to go. All right, well, look at this. Okay, so there's the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S again. Here's a recolor of the Chevelle SS 396. It was in blue, now it's in yellow. Indy 500 Oval in orange, and to finish off, kind of interesting, right? We've got Ford Mustang Coupe in black. That's a recolor and a highlight. How about that? Liberty Walk in red. Recolored in red, the GTR. And how about this, the 55 Chevy, which is the Super in the A case. So we're getting a little bit of A's for 2022 in this case. Obviously that's not the Super, that's the regular. What I don't have is the Range Rover, right? So we got Zamacs, we didn't get the Range Rover, but I'm sure I'll open up a Q case soon. Oh my gosh, it's really gonna start raining. I better hurry. But that is a Q case, a Zamac Q case. You guys tell me what you think. Lots of highlights. We'll do a highlight video, open these things up, finish off the Zamacs for 2018 or for 2021. Sorry, now I'm flustered because I'm going to try and get out of the rain. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks, everybody. Bye.